This is a toy my parents reward me for doing good and improving on swimming. And it's called the Littlest Pet Shop Walkables Slide and Dive Lagoon. And the LPS walkable is a motorized penguin. And here's the back. Okay. I'm gonna show you the toy. Okay, so here's all the other Littlest Pet Shops you can collect. Okay. So this is the motorized penguin. It's all purple with some white and yellow and orange. And it has two ways. It can move two ways. It can move like standing up and on its belly. And the standing up one, it doesn't really work because the head is too heavy and just falls down. Now, if you just push it a little, then it goes to belly. It moves so much better on the belly. Okay, so here's the Slide and Dive Lagoon. The accessories are one coconut milk thing with a straw, and it even has a cup holder. And a snorkel for the penguin when it goes down the slide. And this is the hut. It's cardboard, and I think this is the first thing that's gonna get broken in the set, but it's good. Okay, and here is the dance floor. It just turns your penguin around like this. And also the fish turns too. Okay, so here's the water slide, and here's one way. Wait. It's like a pool where she swims around in it. And if you move this, it will go down to the ground, and you can play with it. And that's pretty much it.